Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to enable biometric login on the Barclays app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your iPhone. Now simply log in using a username and password if you are not already signed in. Once you are logged in, you will see your home screen. This is usually the app home screen. On the home screen, tap the more option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on settings. In the settings menu, look for security, privacy or biometric login. Tap on that option. Now you will see an option for Face ID or Touch ID depending on your iPhone model. Turn the switch on to enable biometric login. Your iPhone will now ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID or your phone's passcode. This step helps you protect your account once confirmed biometric login is enabled. From now on, whenever you open the app, you can simply look at your phone or touch the fingerprint sensor. To log in, no need to enter your passcode every time. And that's it, you have successfully enabled biometric login on the Barclays app using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.